How to request refund for ChatGPT Plus. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you a quick and easy guide on how to request refund if you have subscribed for ChatGPT Plus. But first, let's look at some of the benefits that ChatGPT Plus offers. You can get a priority access during high traffic periods. That means you can get fewer interruptions even when the demand is high. You can get access to higher ChatGPT 5 limits. With that, you can use OpenAI's most advanced model capable of understanding text, images, and audio. You can access ChatGPT 4.0 and continue using OpenAI's previous flagship model. Then you have other expanded features like voice conversations, image generation, file uploads, and analysis. Now, in order to cancel your subscriptions, here, as you can see, if you head over to this link over by ChatGPT or OpenAI itself, if you believe you were incorrectly charged or would like to refund, you can request a refund from here. So what you basically have to do is, if you want to cancel your subscription, you can log into your ChatGPT, click on the profile icon on the settings, select subscription, and then manage subscription, cancel your subscription from there. But if you want to request a refund you basically have to follow the process to request refund on your subscription. It completely depends on how you initially signed up for. So if you use the web version of ChatGPT, you can log in and head over to the account which you'd like to refund. Next, navigate to the Help Center and select the chat widget displayed on the bottom right of the screen and request for refund. But you have to note that if you live in the EU, UK, or Turkey region, you are eligible for a refund if you cancel your subscription within 14 days of purchase. And here are some of the other methods for canceling the subscription as well. So if you subscribe via Apple subscriptions, you can visit this site over here to learn about how you can ask for a refund. If you have subscribed via Google Play Store, you basically have to log into your account, go to Help Center, and display on the bottom right, request refund to the chat. The team will reply back as soon as possible, and if you are eligible for a refund, they'll process it within 10 business days. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.